So the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee of the National Assembly is set for a marathon approval hearing of nominees to the electoral body IEBC. Parliament says that the exercise has been scheduled for 26th of May and called on all the Kenyans to submit written memoranda on any reservations they may have against any of the nominees. And as Stephen Leto now reports, the Supreme Council of Kenya Muslims has called on the political class to stop meddling in the process of establishing a new IEBC.
Few days after President William Ruto nominated 7 individuals to take up the role of elections management in the country, Parliament says it is ready to hold the approval hearings for all the nominees. President William Ruto, upon receiving names from the vetting panel, nominated Erastus Ethekon as the new IEBC chair, alongside 6 commissioners subject to parliamentary approval. National Assembly Clerk Samuel Njoroge, in a circular through local dailies, says the approval hearings will be a day-long exercise to be conducted on 26th of May and therefore invited members of the public to submit representations they may have by way of written statements on oath with supporting evidence contesting the suitability of the candidates for appointments to the offices they have been nominated to. The nominees are required to provide to the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee letters from EACC, KRA, Higher Education Loans Board, DCI, Register of Political Parties, as well as Credit Reference Bureau. Supreme Council of Kenya Muslims, SUPKEM, who addressed the media Monday on the IEBC recruitment process, accused the section of the political class of meddling in the process and called on politicians to keep off the exercise.
One of the issues raised by a senior politician is that there should have been further consultations within the dominant political class before the president announced the nominees from the list presented to him by the selection panel. We find this suggestion absurd.
Tumewatagua panel kwa maridhiano. Watu wamekubali juu ya panel. Sasa imekuwa watu wataka kuzunguka. Hii ni kutia tashwishi.
SUPKEM says the team that will be picked must gather public confidence and ensure it delivers credible elections in the future. Stephen Leto, Citizen TV.